Hello, all my CIS 110 people. One of the things that I've talked about in the discussion boards with several of you this week is the concept of drop-down lists and how it can support a more effective and a more efficient spreadsheet, especially when it comes to finances or daily tasks. It's really great for either one. So what I wanted to do was provide you a very quick video that shows you how easy it can be to actually make a drop-down list. What I have here is a very quick sample budget that I created. It lists our companies, our categories, the amount that we have due, the due date, and then the status. And then this range right here is where we can enter our drop-down list. Another thing that I did was I auto-summed the totals, and then I added just a mock income level, and then used a formula to subtract our expenditures from our income. That way we see how much we're either saving or how much of a deficit we have. But let's get to the drop-down list. It's really as easy, as simple as selecting the cells that we want to add our drop-down list to, and then we're going to click on the Data tab, and we're going to go over to where it says Data Tools, and depending on what version of Excel you're using, yours might look a little bit different, but they're all within a feature called Data Validation. For Office 365, we are looking at the Data Tools command group here, and our data validation is this icon right here. We can click on the drop-down list, then click on Data Validation. We have a pop-up window that comes up. Now under the section that says Allow, we can click that, go down to List, and that's what is going to create that drop-down list for us. And then under Source, we can just write the things that we want to include. For this one, I'm just going to say paid and due. So we have our different options that we want within the drop-down list separated by a comma. And then when we're done that, we just click OK. We have a drop-down list created. When you are off of the cell, it looks like it's just a regular cell, but when you actually click on the cell, you can see that the drop-down list has populated here, and we can select either paid or due. If we were to insert another row here, let me just insert one more. And let's just say that we also have maybe Peacock as another TV category here. And that's due on, let's say, the 16th. What you can see is because we inserted it within a range that already has our drop-downs in there, it's already added our drop-down list automatically. We can, however, copy our drop-down list and paste it somewhere else if we wanted to. That's one way that we can do it. And I'm just going to undo that. And I just want to show you that that is how simple it is to create a drop-down list in order to help you organize your data in a way that adds a little bit more meaning for you. I hope that you found this useful and beneficial. And as always, if there's any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thanks.